How to enable or disable chat translation in Evony game. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily enable or disable the chat translation in Evony, the King's Return game. First of all, launch Evony and make sure you are inside the home page. Once you're inside the page, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From the expanded menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on Languages from the very top. Inside Language, scroll down to Chat Translation and if you want to enable chat translation, then you need to go ahead and toggle on these two buttons. You can go ahead and turn on the button right next to World Channel or Alliance Channel. If it is turned green, that means you've enabled the option. If you ever want to disable the chat translation, make sure both of these buttons are turned off and it shows a gray button. So from here, you can easily enable or disable chat translation in Evony. Now you know how to manage your chat translation in Evony, whether you want to see chat in your language or avoid automatic translation. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.